Hey everyone, welcome to Ordinary Investor, Carter's 1977-1981 term, S&P 500 up 32% total, stagflation era. Daily 51.5% up, yearly 75% positive. Let's crunch daily, weekly, monthly, yearly stats versus Reagan, Clinton and others. Stick around for charts, smash like for market history. Daily, 1,000 trading days, 51.5% up, 5 15 days averaging plus 0.75%, 48.5% down at 0.70%. Best day, OCT 21, 1980, plow 2.9%, worst MAR 25, 1980, 2.7%. Weekly, 8 weeks, 51.4% up, 0.9%, 48.6% down, 0.8%. 1980 rocked with 55% up weeks, 1978, 1979 balanced 50-50. Monthly, 48 months 54.2% up, 2.3%, 45.8% down, 1.9%. OCT 1980, PRA 0.5% peak, MAR 1980, 10.2% low. Yearly, 4 years 75% up, plus 10.7%, 25% down, 4.7%. 1980, plus 25.8%, 1979, 4.7%. Fed hikes lifted, 1980, oil crisis hit 1979. Big picture, yearly 75% up matches Biden, trails Clinton's 87.5%, daily 51.5% below Trump's 53.3%, versus Reagan's 21.3%, CAGR, Carter's 7.2%, Obama's 16%, energy crisis dipped 1979, recovery fueled 1980. Returns, plus earned to 32% total, plusing 7.2% yearly, versus S&P under Clinton, plusing 209%, 8 years, Carter's modest, volatility, moderate, 1979 had 50% down days. Carter era, modest bull, inflation battles, lessons for 2025, watch macro risks, bullish on history, comment below, subscribe for more market dives, thanks for watching.